Welcome to KB Technologies Managed IT, your trusted partner near Deerfield Beach, Florida. Explore how we excel in managed IT services, cybersecurity, VoIP, cloud hosting solutions, and access control systems. Discover seamless managed IT services tailored to your business needs. KB Technologies ensures reliability and efficiency every step of the way. Cybersecurity is paramount. Our advanced protocols safeguard your data with cutting-edge solutions, providing peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. Experience crystal-clear communications with VoIP solutions that enhance connectivity and productivity, all managed and optimized by KB Technologies. Unlock the power of flexible and scalable cloud hosting solutions. We streamline operations, ensuring your data is accessible securely anytime, anywhere. Protect your premises with our access control systems. From biometric scanners to advanced monitoring, KB Technologies keeps your facilities secure. At KB Technologies, we prioritize your business continuity. Our comprehensive IT support ensures minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Stay ahead of cyber threats with our proactive cybersecurity measures. Our experts monitor, detect, and respond swiftly to potential risks. Transform your communications with VoIP solutions designed for reliability and cost-effectiveness. Elevate your business operations with KB Technologies. Ready to elevate your business with KB Technologies Managed IT? Contact us today to schedule your consultation and discover how we can optimize your IT infrastructure for success.